Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. I know a lot of you are looking for things you can do part-time with a flexible schedule. This is one of those, so we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just know that the links to everything I discuss are in the YouTube description box below. And as always, if this job lead is not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in the back of my mind when I am searching for things to share. But today's job lead comes from the company PathRise. They are looking for an application specialist. This is part-time remote work from home. But if you have been watching this channel and you are getting really good at interviewing and looking at your resume and tweaking it and putting in those job applications, then this is the job for you. You can help other people do the exact same thing. So PathRise is looking for a specialist to work directly with job seekers on converting more job applications into interviews by collaborating and supporting high quality applications, facilitating introductions, and sending outreach emails. So your essential duties of this job would be to look at someone's resume, LinkedIn, their target profiles and roles, and understand their profile and help them with their job search. You'll meet with them for working sessions and share best practices for submitting applications. So you'll kind of coach them and guide them on how to submit applications. You'll source and apply for jobs on behalf of them during your work sessions. Because this is remote, I'm assuming these work sessions are over like Zoom. You'll proofread their resumes and make sure that they are error-free and organized. You'll make resume edits per job application to increase the matching percentage for a target role. You'll write and send personalized emails on behalf of them, and you'll run any sessions with them where you're both applying for jobs on their behalf. So what is in it for you? You'll be a mentor to people who want to break into and accelerate their career. So you get that satisfaction of helping someone and building relationships and help them with their lives. Now, this does offer a flexible schedule, and they are hiring both in the United States and in Canada. And they are paying $25 to $35 an hour as the base pay rate, and then you get a $5 bonus per interview that you generate. So if you have someone and you help them apply for 10 jobs and they get 5 interviews, you get a $5 bonus times those 5 interviews, so you get an extra $25 plus your hourly rate you spent with them. So they are looking for someone who has 1 year of experience working in the recruiting space or working as some type of coach, someone who has great written and verbal communication skills, someone who has knowledge of job search processes on different platforms, and someone who has the ability to review resumes and make sound judgments and adjustments. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.